We're out here at Arrowwood Resort at Cedar Shore installing a new fueling system on their new docks. My name's Jason Munson and I'm with Dockendorf Equipment from Sioux Falls, South Dakota. We are installing Doubletrac double wall piping system under the dock to new dispenser sumps. We chose Doubletrac because they are known in the marina business. They've got a lot of experience in that, and we wanted to have their support in designing and installing this project. The Doubletrac piping is very durable, and that's important on a floating dock system where the dock is going to be fluctuating with the water level, and so that was very important for us to consider when picking up a piping system for this. This system has 2 UL listings, which a lot of the other products do not have. It has 0 permeability. It's made out of 316 stainless steel, and all the fittings are stainless steel as well, so there's not going to be any corrosion or rust issues either. So I think what impresses me is the construction of the fittings and how robust it is. Once you install it, I feel that it's going to be there forever. I think it's going to be very, very durable.